Welcome. In the age of globalized trade and connectivity, the need for effective communication across language barriers has never been more urgent. Artificial intelligence, developed specifically for translation, became a solution to the problem of language sharing. Audio Translation Pro is at the forefront of this transformative technology, using advanced artificial intelligence to deliver seamless, efficient translation services. Audio Translation Pro represents the combination of intelligence and music. These intelligent agents are designed to revolutionize the way we interpret and understand speech by instantly translating content across multiple languages. With unmatched accuracy and speed, Audio Translation Pro specializes in providing fast translation during translation, live chat, presentation or voice chat. In short, audio, video, Zoom call, Google Meet, podcast, instant audio, etc. can save. The system uses advanced techniques to process speech quickly to ensure minimum latency and maintain communication quality. Audio Translator Pro has a large database to meet many language needs. Users can switch between languages, making it a versatile tool for international meetings, business meetings, and daily communication. Using advanced language processing, NLP, Audio Translation Pro's professional staff goes beyond document translation to capture the subtle meanings and culture of words. Understanding these concepts improves all translation skills and encourages authentic communication and leadership. Audio Translation Pro is designed to adapt to a variety of audio environments, including different voices, background noise, and speech patterns. Adaptive features: this number of smart speakers provide the best performance in different environments, from large urban areas to quiet conference rooms. The interface of Audio Translation Pro is intuitive and user-friendly, making it suitable for use by people with different levels of expertise. All experts and such users can easily integrate the tool into their daily conversations so that they can make improvements. Communication without extensive training. Enjoy international business cooperation by eliminating conflicting messages in meetings, discussions, and presentations. Travel and tourism. Helps travelers travel abroad by providing quick translations of directions, conversations, and customs clearance. Promote better travel by encouraging communication between people who speak different languages. We help students and teachers overcome language barriers in a variety of learning environments. Language learning through real-time translation. Increase the accessibility of audio and video content by providing translations in multiple languages. Open new markets for content creators by eliminating language barriers to global audiences.